guys, I'm riding a bike. So yeah, look how fast I'm going. That's not the fastest, that's not the fastest. But yeah. I did an emergency brake and I almost hurt myself. Look at this area. I wouldn't be wobbling, but I'm using a dumb iPad or tablet. iPad is basically Apple version, but this is a tablet, Tab 3 old version, so it's really rubbish. So yeah, let me start riding again. So yeah, I'm thinking about it. Oh guys, I don't know who's watching. This video is probably in my WhatsApp group after I managed to log back on. Then be on my TikTok and thingy. Yeah, I'm just have to keep it on the road. I don't want to get hit by a car. Hold on. I feel like I'm gonna crash somewhere. I'm wobbling so much. I have kids all over the place. I should be riding on the road, but I'm probably not getting hit if I ride on the road. This is afternoon. I just came out of school, so yeah. You know that video yesterday, the cool one? I find it cool how fast I was going. Probably didn't look fast because my brother was doing dodgy recording. It was so dodgy. Some of you might think it's fast, but that's not my fastest. My fastest is really fast. I watched the video myself. It looks so slow. There's cars everywhere. Hold on. There's a car coming on the road. I just crossed the road. I'm gonna get onto Portway now. I'm literally walking on my bike. I'm not really riding. With holding, maybe if I had a recorder, like riding next to me with the phone or something, they could send a video to me, but I don't. And yeah, guys, you need to know what to do. Join the link. It's in my TikTok bio. I have to find a way to put it in my Instagram, and I will try uploading this stuff on Facebook, Twitter, and everything. I have all social media platforms. I have Spotify, I have TikTok, and I have Instagram and Facebook. When I have LinkedIn as well. That's a business platform. So yeah, there's raining everywhere. Look. So look, you know my bike chain fell off. My bike chain. I'm riding a bike. The chain fell off. Oh, I can't show you. Look. The chain fell off. And now I had to put my hand on the chain to pick it back up. So I don't know what to do now. I have to wait to go to someone's house or my cousin's house, or I have to go home. Then I'll manage to clean it somehow. Should I go a little ride back through? Should I go a little back through? The chain fell off, so I have to check it out here. I'm literally just walking in the rain. There's rain everywhere. Now hold on, guys. I have people around me and I have to find a way back. I'm literally just wandering around on the streets. I have nothing better to do. Now hold on, let me pause this video. Yeah, see, I almost failed because I tried to unpause this video when I paused it. recording right now. And now I have to ride back. I have nothing better to do. Me going home is me killing my time or killing myself. I've not. Literally, I feel like someone's killing me when I'm at home, which is not true. I'm literally dying. It's like me strangling myself to death, but I'm not. I did sound stupid when saying that kind of stuff. So yeah, I am so cool and well, people gonna have jumping on me in it. So yeah, I swear, man, holy shit. What the hell? What? Hold on. So yeah, man, I have a bunch of. So. Oh, sorry. I'm just talking rubbish. I have no breath to get. So I'm going to signal into the park. It's starting to rain, guys. I can barely hear what I'm saying. I'm listening to music outside. So I'm riding past people. I think I'm gonna fall in any minute because it's raining and my eyes are blinding my out in it. I have so many hitters for some reason. My fingers are breaking when I'm holding a heavy tablet. I literally came out with some park. So yeah. Everything isn't that cool, but it's cool. I'm literally about to stop right now. You just see my coat, and it's gone black as well, isn't it? A little black, isn't it? I'm so in love with you. Hold on. I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left for this video. So yeah. Wow, that part was familiar, but it doesn't matter, it's gone now. I wonder how big Prince Regent is. Prince Regent is apparently Newham Hospital, but not exactly. Because the 3 to 5 goes onto Barking Road, not to Prince Regent Lane. And you go into Prince Regent Lane for Newham Hospital, you have to do a few turns. So yeah, there's some people at this bus stop. So guys, I guess I'll see you in a few minutes. So see you later, bye. Or in my next video, which is going to be me showing the other side of the camera or on the actual road. Okay, thank you, bye.